Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So, Toma trading is live. Well, you can see I'm in a party mood. I'm not going to allow anything out there, not even Toma, to dampen my mood. So irrespective of what is happening with Toma tokens right now, I'm in a party mood. And so should you also. Anyway, Toma has listed. And we all know what is going on with the tokens right now. Many people are not smiling. Um, I'm sorry to be laughing, but it's funny. But it's not funny anyway. Well, we know Toma is there, and some people have said this is the worst dust they have seen in history of crypto mining. But is that really true? Is it really the worst? What are we expecting? What next with Toma? So I'm going to be sharing with you the latest information and updates we have about that. So you know that one thing we always advise is that don't take whatever you hear as a financial advice. Do your own research, do your own findings, and um, apply wisdom in whatever you need to do, as long as crypto mining is concerned, and even any other activity that you are involved in. So um, don't put in anything that you cannot afford to lose. And as a matter of fact, you have a choice of not even putting in anything at all aside your time and maybe some energy, that you put into this, excuse me, that you put into the game, so you don't have to do any turn transaction if you know that if you lose it, it's going to affect you. So, but now you can see on my screen, it says Toma Trading Now Live. This was as at when they went live with the listing. And we know that the price, I don't even want to mention the price here because zero, 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 just forget about that. Let's just go straight and see. Um, One thing you have to be aware of, like if you have seen some of my previous videos, I told you that I was going to stake whatever I got from Toma, and that is what I have done. So when the trading went live, those of you that were, waiting for the trading and, just about to go live and so that you can trade immediately, I didn't have any pressure. I was not under any anxiety because my tokens are staked already. Because I expect that that is my own. So please don't take this as a financial advice. For me, I prefer to put it in there. I'm not in a hurry to get any returns on it. And so I have staked it. And even when the staking ends and my tokens are given back to me, I don't intend to sell them immediately. I intend to watch the market because most times, with time, the value of these tokens tend to rise. We have seen that with Hamster Combat. We have seen that with X Empire. And a very good example, even very similar to what Toma is going through right now, is what happened with MemFi. Although personally, I did not mind MemFi, but from my research, I got to know that when MemFi listed, the token was dust, but in a matter of 2 weeks, it started picking up and it picked up really good. And, so at the end of the day, it is advisable that you don't rush to dispose. But if you have disposed your tokens already, well, I can't help you. But what we have now is Tomarket are also they don't forget they are also part of the community. These guys that are into this cryptocurrency, sponsoring it and all that, they are also in the community. They are part of the people around. They listen, they see, they hear, and so I'll go straight to the latest announcement that they sent to the community. This is the announcement page, and then once you go up now, this is what they just sent. Um, just some 2 hours ago. And so I'll quickly read this for you. Dear Tomarket community, thank you for your continued support. We understand the frustration around token prices and airdrops, and we're taking steps to address these challenges. So you can see they are listening, they know. So now they have highlighted some things that they want to do, and they are starting buyback program. So periodic buybacks will begin next week to stabilize prices. That's one. Extended team token lockup. So the 8% that they allocated to their team, they have told us now that the team tokens, which is 8% of the entire token supply, will now be locked for 24 months. So this will also help, once the scarcity of the tokens, the price goes up. And then better listings. We're exploring opportunities to expand Toma's presence on more exchanges. So, like we know now, they're only on BitGet, Gate.io, and MEXX or something like that. So, MEXC, sorry, MEXC. Those are the exchanges they listed. So, they are looking at expanding, getting in touch with more and probably bigger exchanges that would help their price value. So they say better listings, we're exploring opportunities to expand Toma's presence in more exchanges, and then stronger communication. We are committed to more transparent and addressing concerns quickly. So this is one of the weaknesses that they had, which people got back to them about. So they are also saying we also ask for respect towards exchanges like BitGet, Gates, and MEXC. Those are the platforms on which they listed. And so they are telling us that please, we should not go there and start, going after them and, saying all sorts of things to them. They support accessibility and are not responsible for token prices. So it's not the exchanges that are responsible for the prices of the token. So they went on to say that this is a short version to give you a quick idea of what's next. For all the important details, check out our full announcement here. So what they are telling us that this that they have sent to us is a short version because they know that most people are probably very angry and they are not going to settle down to go to their website to read long story. And or some people are not even just good at reading. So they have given us, they have summarized it, but they have also said that check out full announcements here. So if you click on here, it will take you to the where you have the full announcement. So I think we should just quickly look at that and see what they have there. We can get more details. So open. Remember, if this is your first time of joining this channel, kindly subscribe to this channel and also hit the notification bell so that you will get notified whenever immediately we bring new videos up. And I also encourage you to like this video and share it with others so that they may also benefit. Dear Tomarket community, first of all, thank you for being part of our journey and for the continued support. Blah, 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 blah. They have all that. Here are the main points we've heard from you. So they say the token price has not lived up to the expectations, causing frustration among many in the community. That's part of the feedback they got. The value of the airdrop has fallen short. The value of the airdrops has fallen short compared to the effort and expectations of some users. So, we had people who invested so much in this. People bought golden ticket. People used stars to do a lot of things. You know how much it cost to buy stars, to buy Telegram stars, So a lot of people invested. And what is even causing the frustration more among the community is not just the fact that it is dust. We had issue when Amstar Combat came up. People said it was dust. But, it was dust because the people's expectations were so high and it did not meet the expectation, but not that it was dust that they lost money. So there was no investment that was put into Amstar Combat as per financial investment. So there was nothing like you are losing money. But in this case, people invested, people bought Telegram stars, people did a lot of things, turned transactions, which cost money. So If at the end of the day you invested, say, $50 worth of investments in this um, crypto mining, and at the end of the day, you get token that was allocated, and then by the time it was listed, the price you are getting, say, $30 or $20, that is loss, pure and simple loss. But if you did it and you got, maybe you invested $50 and you got $60, yes, you may say it's small, but at least you have not lost your money. So I think that is why people are really frustrated, but they have some explanation, and I think we need to hear them out. And they say why this is happening. Market conditions. So it is the market conditions that are mainly responsible for this, according to them. On December 20th, the day of Toma Token's launch, the overall crypto market was in downturn. To be fair to them, this is actually true. If you have been following the crypto market, you will know that the crypto market is on the downturn. So this is actually true. And the overall crypto market was in a downturn with notable declines in major tokens like BTC, ETH. This market slump resulted in weaker buying pressure and added to the challenges. So this is very true. Let's be fair. I know we are all angry. I know we are frustrated, but we cannot deny the fact. You know what BTC Bitcoin was last week, and you know what it is today. So please, let's be fair to them in this regard. So they also have airdrop impact. While we wanted to reward the community generously, the large number of airdropped tokens has added selling pressure to the market. With so many users participating, it becomes difficult for everyone to earn as much as they expect. While our intention was to distribute tokens widely, the resulting price impact is not something we wanted to see happen. So there's so many of us also mining this crypto. So crypto markets are trend driven, and tokens related to Telegram mining apps have been in a downtrend recently. Naturally, this lack of attention affects token prices and reduces buying volume. So for me, I see this as an advantage. Why do I say that? Though they have not written that here, so don't quote them on this. But this is my opinion. This time that they have listed is when the market is on a downward trend. And so what this means is that this price that they have entered the market with, most likely it will only get better. So imagine that maybe from early 2025, from January, first week in January, the market condition begins to improve, and then the crypto market goes on the upward trend. You know what happens? All crypto related activities will move up, and then the prices of this would also go up, most likely. And we know that the inauguration of the US president is coming up in January as well, and we know that the president-elect Donald Trump is favorably disposed to crypto. So the market sentiments, once I know the US is the biggest crypto market in the world. So once Donald Trump takes over, there's going to be, positive market trend in the crypto world. And so you don't need to be in a hurry to dispose. If you have not disposed your token, I advise you to still keep it. Keep it, and we'll see what happens. So these are the things that they plan to do. You might go through this. It's a very long one. I encourage you um, to read it in full. But in summary, they are going to be buying back the tokens gradually. And once they buy back, there will be some sort of scarcity in the market. And you know what happens when there's scarcity? Price goes up. And so this is something, for me, this, from all that they are going to do, that is the major point that I think will help the token price. I think that is the one that you are most concerned about. And so let's not feel too down. Don't feel too disappointed. Yes, we're disappointed in the price, but it is not all that gloomy. there's light. I believe there's light at the end of the tunnel. All you need is patience, patience, patience. So once again, subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell. If what I have brought to you now is beneficial to you and you have gained something from it, kindly subscribe and also like this video and share it widely so that others can also benefit what you have benefited right now. Thank you very much for joining me. I wish you all the best. Cheers.